Hello and welcome to this Myop tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to add comments and checklists to a task. To add comments and checklists, start by navigating to your project schedule page. From here, make sure you are in viewing mode. You should be in viewing mode by default. Now, click on a task. You will notice that a window will slide over from the side, and here you will see a section for comments and checklists. In my case, there is already a comment listed, but I will add another one. If you add a comment by mistake, just click the X to delete it. Now, to add a checklist item, simply type the checklist item and click Enter. To delete a checklist item, click the X. You will now be able to view your checklist items in your Tasks page. That concludes this tutorial. If you require further assistance or would simply like to learn more, please visit our Help Center at www.usemyop.com. Thanks for watching.